Hi folks, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on these pair of boots here. They are the North Face and Gucci collaboration boots. Also going to be talking a little bit more detail on what they were like, size, and also ordering online from Gucci. Now I ordered these online on Monday evening and they were delivered by Thursday. They come in a plain box, but the inside is really quite nice and decorated. Also comes with a couple of envelopes here. Lovely envelope in beautiful quality. It's actually all embossed as well. Just a little thank you note. And the other is just your receipt. Go on to the boots. The boots themselves come in this pink box here. Lovely box with a handle. And inside the theme continues. Here we can see matching dust bag. The boot is quite heavy as well, it does have some weight to it. Oh, and it's also inside another dust bag. This one is just a plain dust bag. And the boot itself. This looks really nice. I'm very pleased with these. Very well packed. A lot of padding. Feels really soft inside as well. Beautiful soft leather. The outside feels really tough and rugged. So you can see here, it's got the logo on the side, the North Face Gucci collaboration. Also on the tongue here. Inside on the tongue it's marked with a model code and size. I got a size 6 in these. I was going to get a 6.5, but these are selling out really quickly. And online, the only size available was a 6, and the next one up was a 7.5. Luckily, I had a phone call from someone from my local Gucci boutique. They were very helpful with sizing and other questions I had. If it wasn't for them, I think I would have struggled. Seeing the both of them out of the box, I really do like these. I couldn't see any spare laces with these ones. I know that some pairs do come with them. Trying these on, they feel super comfortable. Padding and soft leather really does give a luxury feel. For myself, they're slightly tight around this part here, but if I push down ever so slightly here, it eases up. Hoping these are just going to ease off as they get worn in. As I said, I went for the 6 rather than the 6.5 because that's what was available online at the time. Comparing that against my other Gucci's, dress shoes, I take a 6, and sneakers, high tops, write-ons, etc. I take a 6 or a 6.5, which is downsizing from the usual size I take in things like Nike or Adidas, and I would say these are quite comparable in size with other Gucci shoes. Okay, so I've had these for about a week now, and with lockdown happening, I'm a bit limited on where I can go, but the other day there, I managed to wear these for about 6 hours and do quite a lot of miles in them. I wore these to the shops just for my food shopping, then afterwards I had a big long walk. And I'll tell you what, after 6 hours, I was so surprised on how comfortable these still were. The inside is so soft and cushioned. This leather here just feels so nice, and your feet are so cushioned in here. The tightness around the toe area, that went away after a couple of minutes of walking, and my feet settled into these very nicely. One thing I would say though, is it did get a bit sore around here, which is just above the ankles, but I think as it softens off, this should be fine. My experience of wearing in boots, this was really good. Doing all those miles with no sore feet or blisters, it was brilliant. The craftsmanship in these as well is just so nice. My feet felt very comfortable in them. Weight wise, they are a bit heavier As you can see, just over 2 kilos for the pair, making them just over a kilo each, which is about 2.2 pounds. Going into a little bit more detail, the actual feel of these boots. The toe is quite solid. That softens up as you get further back. As for tightening the laces, it does tighten. Again, more as you go further back. The logo here is actually embossed in the leather as well as coloured. So it's not just a transfer that's been put on. The soles have quite deep treads as well. Another feature with these shoes, they're also fitted with an RFID card, which is a radio frequency identification card. Now this can be read by Gucci themselves, which will confirm its authenticity, as well as give it information on the production and when it was made. These boots were £1,050, which is just under $1,500. I think the biggest question is, am I happy with them? Oh yeah, I really do like these. I'm very happy that I got them. I think the quality is superb, they're so comfortable, and also I think these will last a long time. And I really love the look of these as well. Overall, I'm really happy I got these. Well folks, thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a thumbs up, it really does help the channel. Also, if you want to see more, feel free to check out my other videos, and to see any future ones, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Have a good day folks.